Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we're gonna bake banana bread. Welcome back to our kitchen. So here are the ingredients. First, please check the description below for the recipe. We have here overripe bananas. I have 8 here. I have 2 cups of flour, a cup of oatmeal, a cup and a half of sugar. I have a cup of mixed nuts and berries. I have 2/3 cup of butter, baking soda, 2 teaspoons, a pinch of salt, 2 eggs, and we'll need 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And before we mix all our ingredients together, let's first preheat our oven to 350 degrees. So let's mash our bananas using this tool or the other one that you use for mashed potatoes. We don't have that, so we'll just use this one. So we've mashed our bananas. You could leave it with little chunks like this. Ako, I like it with little chunks. Or you could mash it really smooth. Okay, and then we're gonna add our beaten eggs. Let's beat it all good. Let's add our beaten eggs. Next, we'll add our sugar. We'll add our vanilla, 2 teaspoons here. We will add our nuts. Sprinkle our salt. Sprinkle our baking soda. And we want to add the flour and the oatmeal last. So in the original recipe, it's full serving, no oatmeal. So we just added this. I want to shout out to my compare, Marlon Mendoza, because he's the one who taught me this when he brought zucchini cake. So whatever I would make, except the carrot cake that we vlogged, I would replace 1/3 of the required flour into oatmeal. So this will make our banana bread chewy and better. So we'll do this little by little. The oatmeal. Bango. And as you can see, you don't need a mixer here. So if you don't have a mixer, banana bread is something that you could bake easily. So you don't need to wait. I think I heard during this pandemic, a friend told me na took long for her mixer to come. They ran out as well sa stores. So kung wala kang mixer, you could use this one. I mean, you could bake with this one kasi you don't need a mixer. So that's our last ingredient. We just need to mix it real good. Ang ganda na itsura niya, di ba? And you could see the oatmeal. So the formula is 1/3 of your flour that is required in your recipe. Replace it with oatmeal. For sure your bread or your cakes would be good. Alright, so this one's good. So it's all mixed and we just need to transfer it to our pan. So we're just gonna need to grease our pan and then transfer our mixture, and then it's all set to go to the oven. So now let's transfer our mixture to our pan, and you want to just pour in and fill the pan just 2/3, because if you fill it up and it expands or rises sa oven, then it will be overflowing, and if you're lucky, it's not gonna mess your oven. I know because I made that before. I made that mistake. So that's for our pan, and I'll put the leftovers to our muffin pan. Good for baon. So this banana bread is really good. I made it even better with a combination of the mixed nuts, dried fruits, the oatmeal, the chocolate, and over the time it's adjusted to come up with this good recipe. Try it. Always good. It's moist, chewy for the oatmeal, less sweet because we adjusted it. It's really good. And so we hope that you like this video, just like how you liked our carrot cake vlog. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you again. Bye. God bless.